couldn't be more grateful.
My pleasure.
In all aspects of biology and life, the term nature versus nurture is relevant, but never so much as when thinking about the nervous system. And I know this firsthand because I've studied neural development, both the nature side, the so-called hardwired stuff that genes just set up. Neurons wire up to that neuron, et cetera. The cerebellum's in the back, the eyes are in the front, the hardwired stuff. And then the soft-wired stuff, the nurture stuff, is the stuff that can be modified by experience.